Next speaker is Dr. James Lark. Dr. Lark is an engineering professor at the University of Virginia. He serves as Secretary of the Jefferson Area Libertarians and has served as the Chairman of the National Libertarian Party. Please welcome Dr. James Lark.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'll keep my remarks very brief. When I gather at events like this, and I'm delighted the Jefferson Area Libertarians have been sponsoring this. We've been doing this since 1999. I'm reminded of a comment of a friend of mine, John Hosmus, who, when examining the American political experiment, asked the question, what is it about the American political experiment that people are most proud of? What is it, as you as an American feel, what are you most proud of about our system of government? And typically the response that he receives is, well, freedom of speech, freedom of religion. And it goes on mostly freedoms from government regulation, government involved, government activity. The Bill of Rights is quintessentially anti-democratic because it basically says there are certain things, there are certain rights that we have that are inalienable. These are critical. Government may not tread in these areas. It's simply out of bounds. And I am very proud to live in a country where there is, at least for the moment, there is still some recognition that there are certain rights that are inherent in our being. The fact that we are human beings, we have these rights. That there are certain areas of our affairs where government simply has no right to trample. Unfortunately, the tendency, which has accelerated greatly over the last few years, is for government to basically regard every area of human affairs as something that is the proper sphere of government. We are now facing, for example, in the healthcare arena, we are now facing a federal mandate that basically will force people to buy insurance. That is basically stepping in and saying that you simply do not have the right to decide for yourself, for your body, what you will do with your money with respect to your own health. It's frankly rather frightening to see the extent to which the pace of moving toward greater government involvement has accelerated. I'm hoping that people who actually understand our Constitution and our Bill of Rights will be able to fight an action that will in effect prevent further erosion, and perhaps at some point we're going to be able to move further in the direction of individual liberty and personal responsibility. I think we're at a very dangerous time at this point. I think that it is incumbent for patriots, regardless of their political identification, to step forward and say to our government at all levels, you must respect our rights. You must respect the protections that are expressed in the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, and if you don't, by golly, we're going to take action to remove you, hopefully peacefully. And it is time for us to step up to the plate, to work vigorously to protect our rights, because again, I think we're at a very dangerous time in the history of this republic. And I thank you for taking the time and trouble to be here. God bless you. Let us hope that it will not be necessary over the next several years for us to continue to assemble and lament the further erosion. Let us hope that we will be able to start singing praises for the fact that we are moving in the right direction. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here.